Hello everyone. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to cut a double-sided key using the Condor XC-003. First, turn on the machine. Press the red button briefly to switch the machine to standard mode. Press the white button briefly to turn on the lighting. You can decide whether to use the light depending on the actual lighting conditions. The key has a curved shape and is asymmetrical on both sides. Use the protrusions of side C and D on the clamp to grip the center groove of the key. We need to rotate both the auxiliary clamp and main clamp to the side C. The auxiliary clamp on the left is used to hold the original key, serving as a reference for cutting. The main clamp on the right holds the key blank. We can use the shoulder positioning guide to assist in adjusting the key's placement, improving cutting accuracy. Then, lift the handle to begin cutting. Control the cutting direction by moving the main and auxiliary handles. After removing the key, use a brush to clean it briefly, preventing debris from affecting later use. Next, we need to rotate both the main and auxiliary clamps to the side D. Flip the key and clamp it again on both sides. Use the same shoulder positioning method to ensure accurate placement. Move the main and auxiliary handles again to cut the flip side of the key. After cutting, press and hold the button for 2 seconds to enter continuous run mode. Polish the key to remove burrs and uneven edges. Once polished, the double-sided key is ready. The unlocking works great. That's all for the XC-003 tutorial on cutting double-sided key, fully meeting all your cutting and polishing needs. The innovative standard mode makes cutting safer and more energy efficient. If you still have questions about the XC-003,